Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial on this channel. Today I'll be talking not about the Lightroom, the Photoshop, but today I'll be talking about the Adobe Premiere Pro, which is basically the video editing software. But before we jump into the video, let's roll the intro. During every shoot, we take number of retakes, whether it be a fashion shoot or an interior shoot or the wedding shoot. My point is, we drag almost all of those files into the project panel but hardly use all of them. So a lot of the times you might have encountered a problem where your project takes too long to load, and this is because of the files or the number of the files there. And that's why today I'll be showing you one small step to load your projects faster by removing or getting rid of all those unwanted files that are not used in the project. Now let's bring a number of files into the project panel, and I'm gonna create a sequence with one of them. I'm taking just 4 to 5 files for the demonstration purpose. I won't be using the rest of the files for now. Now the remaining files are not used, but they are still there in the project panel, and because of these files the project takes longer to load. So to reduce the time, we just have to get rid of these files. So to resolve this problem, I'll go to Edit and click on the Remove Unused tab, and just like that it removed all of the unwanted or unused files from the project panel and leaves out only the sequence and the files that are used in the timeline. That's it from this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. Share this video with your friends to reduce their time of editing. Thank you guys, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling.